flying SQ308 to London, boarding now. Economy today, let's go. Walking past the premium economy cabin and heading onwards to the economy cabin. I'm seated at row 72 today, which is right at the end. This is an Airbus A380 economy class. It's a 3-4-3 configuration. Let's go, let's go.
You're in a row with 3 seats, not 4 seats.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yay. Let's go. And here is the seat. I'm sitting in the aisle seat today. And here too. Yep. It's cool. It's cool, cool, cool. It's a tray table. This one. Tray table. Yep. This even has a mirror. Haha. Up. Towel service.
SQ308 bound for London Heathrow. My time this morning to London is 13 hours and 30 minutes. Operating together with me on this flight are my fellow colleagues. In the cockpit, I have Captain Subiki, Senior First Officer Steven Ta, and Senior First Officer White. The cabin flight manager with the rest of the crew will make sure the barrel are on this one. We are just waiting for the final piece of the cargo loading to be completed. Looking at about 10 to 15 minutes more. And then once all the doors are closed, we'll be on our way. So we're taking towards the northeasterly direction this morning. Once airborne, make a left turn, climbing to a height of 32,000 feet. Initially cruising along the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia, across the Bay of Bengal towards India, then across Central Asia towards Turkey, across Europe onwards to London. If you wish no more details of this flight, you can find out the flight path channel on the flight maintenance system. Otherwise, spell it with very
behind you. Count the rows of seats to the closest exit.
Breakfast is served.
Damn healthy.
Yeah, boy. This is the back of the A380 aircraft. So amazing. So much space. Look at that. Climb up to business class deck. Ahaha. Which I'm not today. So you can stand around here and relax and serving breakfast now. Yeah. Serving the breakfast right now.
It's going to get pretty cloudy for the next 10 to 20 minutes. In view of this, the seatbelt sign has been turned on, so please do turn your seat and your seatbelt faster. In view of this, for the safety of my crew, my cabin crew, all cabin services will be suspended for the time being. Once we are out of this condition, the cabin services will then be resumed. So please bear with me time and I do thank you for your patience. Cabin crew, please be seated. Thank you.
awesome. Wow, isn't it awesome? Cool.
Miles to the east of London Heathrow, and we will be commencing on this end in just about 10 minutes from now. Latest weather over London Heathrow is a clear afternoon in London Heathrow. Already pretty sunny over there right now. The ground temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Sergeant, the air traffic to London at this time of the day can get busy. Based on our present day limit now, looking at landing time, just slightly ahead schedule. That is 3:45 in the afternoon, and I shall have you at the gate 5 to 10 minutes thereafter. There's a time difference of 7 hours between Singapore and London. If you'd like to set a watch now, local time in London is 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Once again, I'd like to take this moment and thank you for drivers. And hope to see you on board. I hope you have a good day. Thank you. Cabin crew, welcome for arrivals. Thank you.
And we are about 30 minutes into London and all ready to land. Still got a little time to snooze. So let's go.
They have reported that they have encountered turbulence during their descent, which we will be encountering as well in just about 5 minutes from now. As such, the seatbelt sign has been turned on, so please return to your seat and add your seatbelt faster. And for the safety of the cabin crew, all cabin services will be suspended. And cabin crew, please be seated early if you can. Thank you very much.
All cabin crew, please be seated down at your crew station. Thank you.
That's the A380 that brought us to London. Woohoo!